Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty and wellness meet expert advice. Today, we're stepping a little outside the usual skincare and makeup world to talk about something equally essential: oral care. We're taking a deep dive into the Curaprox Hydrosonic Pro electric toothbrush with charger and travel case. This ultrasonic toothbrush is designed for daily tooth and gum cleaning, featuring extra soft bristles for a gentle yet effective clean. It comes with 3 brush heads, a 60-minute battery life, a compact charger, and a handy travel case. And it's even recommended for those with implants and braces. Let's get into the real story behind this Swiss-made tool. The Curaprox Hydrosonic Pro is clearly positioned as a premium oral care device. Its key features include ultrasonic technology designed to dislodge plaque without aggressive scrubbing, making it gentler on gums than traditional electric brushes. It comes with 3 types of brush heads: the power for deep cleaning, sensitive for gentle daily use, and a precision single brush head for targeted cleaning around braces or implants. With a full charge offering around 60 minutes of use, it's also quite travel-friendly, helped by its lightweight charger and sturdy travel case. When it comes to real-world testing, I incorporated the Hydrosonic Pro into both my morning and evening routines for 3 weeks. Right away, I noticed how incredibly soft yet densely packed the bristles are. A huge win for someone like me who tends to brush a little too aggressively. The brush heads attached easily without feeling flimsy, and switching between the sensitive and power modes was seamless. It genuinely made my teeth feel cleaner without the post-brushing gum irritation some electric brushes cause. I also tested it after a particularly heavy coffee day. It handled surface stains effectively without feeling abrasive. One minor inconvenience? The power button is slightly flush with the handle, so finding it by feel when you're half awake in the morning takes a little practice. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: ultra soft bristles that are still effective at removing plaque. Multiple brush head options tailored for different needs, including braces and implants. Lightweight, travel-ready design with a very compact charger and durable case. Solid battery life, perfect for a short trip without needing to bring the charger. Swiss-engineered quality, you can feel the thoughtfulness in its build and function. Cons: higher price point compared to mainstream electric toothbrushes. Power button design could be a little more user-friendly for quick operation. Only 60 minutes of battery life. Good but not exceptional compared to competitors offering several weeks of standby. Speaking of value for money, the Hydrosonic Pro definitely leans toward the luxury side of oral care. However, considering the exceptional build quality, the specialized brush heads for different dental needs, and the gentle yet powerful cleaning performance, I'd say the price is justified for those who prioritize gum health and wear braces, implants, or have sensitive gums. It's not just a toothbrush, it's practically a dentist's assistant in your bathroom. In comparison to other premium brushes, like the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean or the Oral-B IO series, the Curaprox Hydrosonic Pro focuses more heavily on softness and gum protection. Sonicare and Oral-B offer more flashy features like app connectivity, multiple cleaning modes. But for people who need a truly gentle and effective clean, especially those with orthodontic devices, Curaprox delivers in a way many others simply don't. As for build quality and longevity, the toothbrush feels durable and well-balanced in hand. The bristles didn't splay out prematurely during testing, and the motor maintained consistent power throughout. I'd expect the heads to last about 3 months with regular use, which is pretty standard. Plus, the sleek travel case is not just pretty, it's sturdy enough to toss into a carry-on without worrying. Regarding customer support, while I didn't personally need assistance, Curaprox generally has a strong reputation in the dental industry for producing reliable, professional-grade products and offering responsive support if issues arise. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty and wellness lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest, real-world reviews like this. If you find the Hydrosonic Pro's price tag a little steep, a solid alternative could be the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 6100. It offers a gentler clean than many competitors and includes pressure sensors to protect your gums. though you'll miss out on the specialized single brush head that Curaprox includes for precision care. Final verdict? The Curaprox Hydrosonic Pro electric toothbrush is a standout for people who truly value their gum health or have special dental needs like braces or implants. It lives up to its promises of a thorough yet gentle clean. However, if you're just looking for a basic electric brush without special sensitivity requirements, there are more affordable options that could serve you just as well. For those who need that extra level of care though, this brush is absolutely worth the investment. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description box below. If you've used the Curaprox Hydrosonic Pro, drop a comment and let us know what your experience was like. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.